Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So, now without further ado, let us discuss about the court annex mediation. So, court annex mediation. What is court annex mediation? Court annex mediation is a voluntary process conducted under the auspices of the court by referring the parties to the Philippine Mediation Center or PMMC unit for the settlement of their dispute assisted by mediator accredited by the Supreme Court. So in court annex mediation, biasa ini sa pantol amicable settlement. Amicable settlement. Di ba in amicable settlement, mag-happen siya yan na barangay wherein in dua tao on dispute. For example, biya ka na buktaw yun. So nagreklamo na buktaw yun. So ininangon nila is suluton na lang dito barangay, amicable settlement lang. Di na sa down madto pa trial court. Di na sa down madto pa trial court. Very amo yating pagyanon court annex mediation. I mean amicable settlement. So diari isa in pagtawa kun court annex mediation. In court annex mediation, mag-happen sa ini after the pre-trial and before the trial. After the pre-trial and before the pre-trial. Yun. So uno ninangon di after mag pre-trial, before sila sumud pa trial in accused once in defendant, ninangon nila matto na sila papagtawag kon Philippine Mediation Center. Dito nila ayusan na, for example, civil case, nakadamage na book on properties na book. So, before mag-trial, matto na sila pa Philippine Mediation Center. Ayuson nila na bangkaya pa ayuson. At lang nga, amuin, suluton nila na bangkaya pa suluton. Bangkaya pa suluton. So, yun, before sumudin trial. So, yun. So, kana di lang tar example, asupaya, may nang clear to gatutan. So, yun sa pagyanon, judicial dispute resolution. Is a process whereby the judge, called the GDR judge, employs conciliation, mediation, or early neutral evaluation in order to settle a case at the pre-trial stage. In the event the judicial dispute resolution falls, then another judge, called the trial judge, shall proceed to hear and decide the case. So in the judicial dispute resolution, mag-happen sa sabi ni bang for example or court annex mediation, wayroon da siya na wayroon da na sulot ng dua tao. Wayroon da siya nasulat sin dua tao. Wayroon da nasulat ng dua tao yun. Madto na sila pa judicial dispute resolution. Asupaya kariyelan, hulukan sila pikilan. Bang in mahinang nila supaya masolve yung problema yun. Hadi na lumaway trial. Tilong niya court annex mediation. Then tilong niya pagpasuluton na indua tao. Sila mismo magsulot. Away ron lamod sin mediator. Kasi pagtawon mediator, then mag-mediate lang ko. Di ko manghimasok ang dua tao yun. Pasaran mo sila magsulot. Yun. Then the dispute solution is diba in dispute resolution, judicial dispute resolution, mag-happen siya after the court annex mediation. So rin ininangon sinabok pagtawa ko ni GDR judge, judicial dispute resolution judge. Ininangon niya mangdihil na sa pikilan. Mulog na sa pikilan. Bang dapat ninangon sin dua tao yun asupaya ma-resolve yung kaso nila or yung problema nila yun. So yun din pagyan, amoy natin pagyan judicial dispute resolution. Balikan ko, court annex mediation mag-happen siya after the pre-trial, before the trial. Or inindo ataw magsulot sila. And judicial dispute resolution yun din. Same process pa rin. So bang di pa kaya suluton harwa ini pagtawon ta court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. Amo na inuno kadto i-transfer na pa dilo mag-proceed na pa trial court. Kasi niyan di then another judge bang di pa masulot harwa to, it shall proceed to hear and decide the case. At lang idual naman to pa trial court. Along yan di na masulot ka mo yan. Di ka mo biyot ang court annex sa supaya pasulutan iban sinod judicial dispute resolution. Wayron pa rin. Kadto na kung pa trial mang biyanday. Kuan di na ako masulot ko diyan. So yun. So di lang tayo example scenario. Yan. For example, ang dua tao. Diba? Ang dua tao naglukat karo. Dua tao yun. Naglukat tao no. About na damage property, let's say jeep nalarak narugto sinabuk yun. So nag-trial. Nag-arraignment, nag-plea, and nag-pre-trial. So doon man, after the pre-trial, because a pre-trial, di na mag-present si mga evidences. Di na kulay kon katan and evidences. Di na mag-mark si mga evidences. Di na mag-gather si mga witnesses. Di na mag-gather si other evidences. Basta talks about preparation for trial, pre-trial. Ato na before mag-trial, aw niyang pagtawag pre-trial. Preparation for trial. May preparation for trial. Kaso pa pag trial, di na luwayan na trial. Asawab piyara siyang singkuan. For example, yung class kinsum. So ininangon mo yan, adum pa, i-prepare mo na katantanya mo, yung pa mo, yung badyo mo, piling sound mo na. So, in pre-trial, biasa sa pantun beto, preparation siya pa, trial. So, kasi, aso pa, pag consume, di na ka amuin maglawag, pawiyan luwayan, matawad pa yung sasaw. So, yun, pagtawon pre-trial. So, after po yung pre-trial, ang kita pagtawon, kasi nasabot takay na, court annex mediation. So, court annex, so, pamayari mediator, kasi yung pagtawag tao under court annex mediation, pagtawag na mediator. So uno way ninang si mediator. Ininang si mediator tuntumon na to. Mag-mediate lang siya. Di siya man diri mang himasok paparakali sinduhan talong ipagpasuluton niya diwa. Para nila magbisara karwa. Para niya magpisara karwa si mga problema nila. Mabiyarin ko lang niya bro. Muni nanguntay niya kuan ini. Ang GP nila bagbag. Long sin book na bayaran ko na diwa lang niya bro. Adi na ito mag-trial. Ba't long iway na ma-jail ka to? Bayaran mo na damage ko kayo mo. Jeep mo na rugtol ko. Jeep ko nadugtol mo. And siwa daw lang siya nagdugtol for example. So bayarin na sila. So yun, mong beting kahalan, tapos na yung kaso. At lang din na mag-trial. So nagsulot na rin doon. Bayarin na lang mo kung mayroon na sulot. Mayroon pa na sulot si mediator. Mayroon pa na sulot si mediator. Magapin yan. Before mag-trial, matto na sila pawat-tawakon. JDR judge. GDR judge. Basta what did GDR judge. So ininangon si GDR judge. Then di manghulog na sa pikilan. Kita mediator ka na siya. Himulog pikilan, nag-mediate lang siya. Hindi GDR judge. Humulog na sa pikilan. Nabanga ko lang niya bro. Problema no yan. Ay nakang pawat mo to pa-trial ko. So, maglalago pa yan lang yun. Liability nyo. Bang for example ng book yan on liability. Pag sulot na dyan ka mo lang niya, bayarin nyo na lang yun. Natami siya na book. Kaya bayarin na dyan lang niya. Ate lang yan, di na mag-trial. So yun. Once ito na resolve. Okay na walang yan, bayaran ta na dyan lang niya. Bayaran ko na na-damage ko kayo mo. Bayaran mo na-damage ko ako. Wakas magtuin. Kaso, di na mag-trial. So, obsin, na-resolve na. So, ito yung pagyanon ta. Court Annex Mediation. Iwansin. Judicial Dispute Resolution. Mag-happen siya before the trial and after the pre-trial. After the pre-trial, before the trial. So, I hope na-gets. So, beyond, ikwantine purpose of Court Annex Mediation and Judicial Dispute Resolution. So, in purpose in Court Annex Mediation and Judicial Dispute Resolution is to what? Encourage the parties to amicably settle their dispute or reach a compromise agreement. To encourage the parties to amicably settle their dispute or reach compromise agreement to avoid protracted and costly litigation. The parties, however, are not compelled to settle their dispute during the mediation or conciliation, as such decision is purely voluntary on their part, but they are expected to negotiate in good faith and exert earnest effort towards settlement. So, in purpose in Court Annex Mediation and Judicial Dispute Resolution, number one is to what? To encourage them to amicably settle this dispute. At ilong niya, pagpasuluton sila. Pagpasuluton na sila before mag-trial. So, before the trial, pagpasuluton na sila. So, paya. Amuin. Di nalukayan ba? Kasi mag-trial pa na magtakad pa pang mga pila days. Maggasto pa yung government. Ang iban maggasto pa sila. Matod pinasikaso. That's why, so paya, nasolve na ito yung kaso. So, ininangon is what? Mag-amicable settlement na lang sila. Yun. So, di sab sila lukusun. For example, they are not compelled to settle their dispute. For example, free trial. During free trial. So, di sila man dyan after the free trial, di ba? In a Court Annex Mediation and Judicial Dispute Resolution. So, di sila man dyan lukusun. Pakadtun ng mga Court Annex Mediation Center yung dispute resolution. Mag-conduct si mga kakinisan nini. Bukon sila oblige mo to. Voluntary yun. Di sila manjari lukuson. Nasuway ka mo mag-Court Annex Mediation, nasuway ka mo mag-Judicial Dispute Resolution. Bang, for example, kawaan sin both parties nung mag-trial na magtuloy. So, mag-trial na magtuloy. Yun. So, yun yung purpose in Court Annex Mediation. So, what are the cases subjected? So, ano naman yung cases subjected to come? So, aminin mga cases naman dyan siya ikadto pa or ilaway Court Annex Mediation. Number 1, all ordinary civil cases. Tilong in short, kataan sa civil cases manjari mo sa ilaway mediation, Court Annex Mediation. Yun, manjari sa ilaway. Patulong, di ba? Court Annex Mediation. Ngapin after the trial. Unin nangon pagpasuluton nindo independent or yung plaintiff once independent. So yun. Kataan si civil case, civil case, manjari siya ilaway mediation annex. Court annex mediation rather. Ano pa? All special civil actions. All special civil actions. Ano yung mga civil action? Special civil action ini. Amo na yung mga kalawaan property or for example mag-claim ka si mga state, nung sa state pangarta sin miyatay. Mag-claim ka si pangarta sin miyatay. Amo yung pagtawag special civil actions. Or mga talks about mga adoption. So pagtawag yan special civil action. Pero ordinary civil case on special civil actions ding ha mga kewanan part niya di siya man jay laway court annex mediation. Ding ha mga cases from civil case and special civil actions di siya man jari ilaway court annex mediation. Kasi naman mention hindi except under Rule 63, 64, 65, 66, and 71 of the Rules of Court. So, yari pag yan yun. Yeah. Yari. Mga exemption. Collection of money, damages, breach of contract, recovery of property. Amo yun yung mga examples in civil case na di mo say manjari. Example sin civil case na di manjari ilaway court annex mediation. Yun. Collection of money, damages of property, and breach of contract, recovery of property. Yan. So special civil case, civil actionism, mga exemption. Mga declaratory relief, certiorari, prohibition, mandamus, co-warrant, contempt. Yan, di siya manjari laway court annex mediation. So number 3, special proceeding cases for settlement of state where the dispute involves claims against the state, etc. All those cases involving issues under the family code and other laws in relation to support, custody, visitation, property relations, guardianship of minor children, and other issues which can be the subject of compromise agreement, intellectual property cases, commercial or intra-corporate controversies, environmental cases. So, biyarin yun. Hindi kita number 3. So, special proceedings, claims against the state. When we say claims against the state, tilong in state pag yan, amo inin pangarta, property sin miyatay. Property sin miyatay. For example, ama yon, miyatay. Kiyawiin niya sa sakatan niya. So, doon man, do anak niya. Do anak na ini, nag-akaw bang kansiyo yung property? Kansiyo yung siya mag-own sin jeep yama nila amon miyatay. So, nagluwat, nag-discuss. No, yung mga biyari cases, bang siya lumaway, for example, mga trial, manjari siya lumaway court annex mediation. Court annex mediation, di ba? So, na-discuss din siya muna pag yan court annex mediation. So, manjari siya lumaway dito yung mga claims against the state. Pangarta si miyatay, pag-akawan, manjari siya. He undergo court annex mediation. Ano pa? Number 4. Dito na ba zone? Kasi example, number 4 hindi. Annulment. Let's say, annulment. Hindi ako magtiyaon yun. Nabutas na. So, di ba yung annulment, ang responsibilities in both partners, anak nila. So, inagisin, ama, paasawan niya. Ikaw na nung in mag-ayubot. Di na ako lang ipos para kala na ako anak tayan. Kaya mo nakataan in gasto. Di na ako mag-gasto anak ta. Ikaw na yung bahala. long sab sinasawa. Di lang niya, ikaw lang in ama lang niya, ikaw lang in on responsibility. Magnafa ka, anak mo. No, yun na naunin, dispute. Naunin, luhala. So, doon man nag-file case. So, pangaso, manjari wa sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation? The answer is yes. Manjari sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. So, number 4, basta mga family dispute, manjari siya Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. Yes. Number 5, intellectual property cases. Biyarin. For example, own business, let's say Starbucks. Logos ni Starbucks. Or, let's say na ingredients, mga singkahawa. Hay Starbucks, singuran mo. And then nagdakang ko singuran mo in ingredients sin coffee ay Starbucks. So payalong mo matod mamigay mo. Magka bay anin. May upisab. So yun. Sample logo, singuran mo logo, nagpatindog ko store mo. Coffee shop. Tagbus to Starbucks. So in start tag in kuan in owner sa Starbucks lang niya. May tayo nung isa man din. So naglakaw. Happy ko lang niya. Gaya-gaya ko yan. So nag-trial. So ipangaso manjari wa sa ini. Ikuan Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. The answer is yes. Manjari siya Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. In commercial, number 6, commercial or inter-corporate controversies. Biyarinin. Example na rin di. For example, ang dua businessman karaway ni nagsasaw sila business. For example, yung business nila siga bro. Siga. So doon man nasagawsin Coast Guard, Bureau of Customs siga nila. Nagluwat karo. Mabukon ba ito pa illegal kasi illegal. Alit siya na ba? Dua tao on business nila. Pag isang business nila yun, kadday. Yun naman kao. Doon mo naluwi yung kadday. So, tagluwat. Alam niya biyari. Kaya lang yung puun ka ako. So, bako lang yung naggastos nung sinambok. Nung sinambok ko sa ayaw lang niya. Kako yung puun yan. Yeah. The question is, manjari ba sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation? The answer is yes, manjari sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. So, environmental cases, very nini. For example, along on residential area, was on mga factory rin doon. Factory, for example, maginangan mga guma, jeep, or mga amuin, let's say, o mga fuel mag-aso. In mga residential area ini, yung mga tao rin di regime factory yun. Yung bahay nila pagkaasuhan sa obsin biya fuel yet carbon dioxide poisonous gas yet. So nagreklamo in tao residential area. Pangaso manjari sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. The answer is yes, manjari sa Ilaway Court Annex Mediation. So yun. So, civil cases covered by the rule on summary procedure. On the other hand, the following civil case may be referred to GDR or Judicial Dispute Resolution. The following cases shall be referred to GDR by judges and are declared as GDR sites. The cases enumerated in Section 1, except environmental cases, may be referred to. So, ay na-discuss tayo mga cases which is manjari siya i-undergo court annex mediation. So biyaon discuss ta uno naman yung mga kaso which is manjari siya i-undergo JDR or Judicial Dispute Resolution. So yari in mga kaso na manjari sa Ilaway Judicial Dispute Resolution. Letter A, cases enumerated in Section 1 except environmental cases. So katan sinasabot ta kay na amon manjari siya ilaway cases, manjari siya ilaway court annex mediation. So katan to manjari resab siya lumaway GDR or Judicial Dispute Resolution. Except lang ya, except, di ba? Aun kita 7 kaya na sabot. So katan na to manjari sa lumaway GDR. Except na lang environmental cases na. Environmental cases, yun, manjari yun. So secondly, amunain cases brought on appeal from the exclusive and original jurisdiction granted to the first level courts. So katanlong niya sin mga cases na appeal siya, na appeal, minsan na appeal cases yaon. For example, kiamuan in abok ding ha mga party. For example, defendant way kiamuan sin decision sin amo in court yaon, gi-appeal ning case niya pa higher court. For example, hindi in pagyanon hindi second paragraph ini, letter B. Katan lang niya sing cases ha MTC, first level court. In pagyanon first level court, MTC, MCTC, METC, MTCC. So ito katan sing cases from first level courts and then gi-appeal siya. And then pag-appeal lang sin RTC judge, kaya pa RTC judge at di ba gi-appeal pa RTC from MTC to RTC. Bang pagingat sin RTC judge, sin kaya pa siya i-resolve sin through DGR ini. Bang siya kaya pa i-resolve tanyo na lang niya. Nagets? Nagets? Yun. Sana nagets. So ano naman mga cases which is manjari si undergo GDR, munain settlement of state, testate and intestate. Bisiniyan takay na in settlement of state katilong niya in state pagyanon pangarta sin miyatay and then kiawin niya, di ba? So on mga nag-claim, bisin example takay na do mag brother nagawa sin jeep yama niya. So mga cases ito manjari sa lumaway GDR. All cases of forcible entry, unlawful detainer basi mga detainong minabuktaw yawn wayron kaw kapatut wayron ko rights i-detain. So yun, all cases involving life to or possession of real property or interest herein, habeas corpus cases decided by first level court in the absence of any regional trial court judge. So yun, possession of real property, kasing kaya na nung talupa kasi real property pag yanon mga property unmovable, di siya magka-move. So nagkakaulupa manjari yan, manjari sila lumaway GDR. They can be or habeas corpus for example. Next, only maway chicks habeas corpus, in habeas corpus pagyamon amo iniin what amo inin detain mo ng buktaw awayron ko kapatut. And then habeas corpus is what? Habeas corpus is ano sa ini? Court order iparelease sinabuktaw dahil nga court order iparelease inabuktaw yon dahil nga court na court order iparelease inabuktaw yon from illegal detention. Habeas corpus iparelease court order iparelease inabuktaw yon na detain yun. So assalamualaikum, let us continue our discussion. So now we are going to discuss what are the cases that cannot be referred to CAM or also known as court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. So these are the cases na di siya manjari hilaway through court annex mediation and JDR. Number 1, civil cases which by law cannot be compromised. Munain, civil status of a person. Civil status of a person. Example niya, talks about legitimacy of a child. For example, nabuktaw yun lang niya, bukun saan lang niya legitimate yung batayan. O legitimate sa nang batayan. Sumang beti mga discussion about the legitimacy, civil status in tao. Civil status in nabuk wata-wata. So, di siya manjari hilaway. Di manjari hilaway. Court annex mediation and JDR. So, ay direct trial siya magtuloy. Di siya ma-resolve si mga veto situation. Ano pa? Validity of marriage o legal separation. So, hindi mga annulment cases, divorce. Di Philippines meron divorce. So, annulment daw. Sample daw magtiyaon yung mamaya na magbutas through annulment. So, yung mga cases biyat, di siya manjari laway, court annex mediation, and judicial dispute resolution. So, yun. So, it's a direct trial because only judge can decide bang pwede nawa in-annulment kanila karwa or di. So, yun. Next is future support. For example, future support niya ini. Dong si mother. Halong di na ako lang maggasto. Anak ta. Di ko na lang yung gastuan, di ko na ayaw puton, di ko na pakaunan. So, yung mga beto cases, future support, bata-bata. Di ito man jay laway court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. Because in pag-support si mother or si father, si parents towards their children is right, kapatut, obligation na to nila. Ayaw po tun. Therefore, di siya suluton, di. So, is a trial because only judge can decide bang only the judge can judge, trial judge can decide bang itukbal pa wa in kapatut si bata-bata yun o bawa kapatut si parents sa bata-bata yun or meron na yun. Jurisdiction of courts very nini. For example, inabuktaw yun, nag-file sa case nag-file siya case Longyang Court MTC nag-handle cases away roon sila jurisdiction. Ano siya jurisdiction? Amuin the right or have the power to handle cases. For example, MTC nag-file murder against kanya. So yung murder pag-file siya lang how no? RTC. So in cases biyari about jurisdiction of the judge, I mean the court, cases about the jurisdiction of the court, di siya manjari laway court annex mediation or judicial dispute resolution. Di siya manjari laway beto. Di siya manjari biya. Longya ayusun tanad jawa longya. Biyarin longya MTC na jalongin kuan mag-handle longya si udasan. Di ito manjari. Because bang murder cases tumtumo na to RTC yan. So 40 years above in penalty. Ano pa? Future legitimate. Yun. And civil aspect of non-mediatable non-civil aspect of non-mediatable criminal cases. So, on mga criminal cases, di mo siya manjari laway court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. Di siya manjari. So, bunuwin pag yan court annex mediation, talong niya, iwan judicial dispute resolution, at di pa meaning niya, di pa lumaway, di pa mag-trial. Di pa mag-trial. So, long niya, yung mga cases, ilaway na court annex mediation or judicial dispute resolution. So, yung mga criminal cases, non-mediable criminal cases, di siya makasud din di. Kasi murder, homicide, parricide, rape, ano pa. So, mga cases malala siya, di siya manjari ipag ilaway court annex mediation, annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. Petition for habeas corpus. Nag-petition ko for habeas corpus. Ano yung habeas corpus? Amo inin order of the court to release the detainer, a person who illegally detained. For example, nabuktaw yun, gidetain siya sinabuktaw, awiron ka pa to. Awiron, gidetain lang siya. So in court, pwede sila send habeas corpus pataw yun, ordering that person to release the detainee among gidetain yun. So awiron siya kapatot to detain that person. For example, police officer, gidetain niya, inabuktaw yun, awiron, nag-commit crime. Let's say nag-commit crime, pero limyo na time amuin ipagdara pa police station. So yun. May petition for habeas corpus. Mga cases biya di siya manjari laway, court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. Ano pa? All cases under Republic Act number 9262, Violence Against Women and Children Act, in cases with pending application for restraining orders, preliminary injunction. Kasi mga 9262, violation of 9262, mga binasawan mo, yun, cases yan, diyan manjari ilaway kuan, court annex mediation and judicial dispute resolution. So di kita how court annex mediation is conducted. Biyarin ba pagkondakon in court annex mediation? Biyarin sa pagkondakon after the pre-trial preliminary conference, the court shall issue the pre-trial preliminary conference order referring the parties to the mandatory camp and shall direct the parties to proceed and personally appear at the Philippine Mediation Center Unit for mediation proceedings. So biyarin ini. Tilong yung mag-happen in camp after na sin pre-trial. So mag-discuss na tayo sa pagyan ng pre-trial. Preparation sa for trial. Duwa yung pre-trial, duwa yung trial. So after the pre-trial sa mag-happen and before the trial. How utan siya sin pre-trial, iwan sin trial. Dito mag-occur in court annex mediation conduct. So in judge maguno na. Mag-issue na sila pre-trial preliminary conference biyarin ini. Atilong niya pakadtuon na ng mga duwa tao yaon. Accused, iwan sin defendant, plaintiff, iwan sin defendant, pakain pa Philippine Mediation Center Unit. Nabuk siya yung mga unit sin government. Philippine Mediation Center Unit office sa ini. For what? For mediation proceedings. Dito na sila magsulot. Suluton nila before sila trial. Suluton nila na arindo na Philippine Mediation Center Unit. So biya to mag-okay in court annex mediation. Court annex mediation. Hope na gets. During the initial appearance of the counsels and the parties on the date set by the PMCU and after presenting proof that mediation fees were paid, the parties shall select a mutually acceptable mediator among the roster of the mediator at the PMCU. If they are unable to join select a common mediator, the PMCU should choose the mediator among its available mediators. So biya rin ini. Ate lang yung sila di matong narito pa PMCU, pa Philippine Mediation Center Unit, wherein mag-discuss sila magsulot ba o pagtawa ko nila court annex mediation. After nila to biyayaran, presenting proof that mediation was paid, magbayad to magbayad siya. Kamo mag-undergo CAM PMCU, under MCU, bayaran nyo. So the parties shall select mutually acceptable mediator among the first. So on kamo right, may bang issue in pion yung mediator. Di ba magbayad ka, mato na kamo pa PMCU after the pre-trial. So on kamo kapato may dito bang issue ng mediator. So if they are unable to jointly select common mediator, for example, wirong ka muna kapi, ka muna kapag-decide, you failed to decide bang isimpi yun yung mediator. So inangon si judge, the PMCA shall choose the mediator among its available mediator. So lang judge na yung magpi bang isinangon mediator. Judge na yung PMCU, judge na yung magpi bang isinangon yung mediator. Ay, muna ito sila. The mediation must be completed within 30 days calendar. So 30 days lang mag-happen in mediation, court annex mediation, come. 30 days, 30 days, 30 days lang siya. Mayroon na to. Come without further extension. Mayroon na pag-extension. Come without further extension. Mayroon na extension. Nung extendan tawa lang yan, 40 days, 35 days, di na. 30 days lang in court annex mediation. In the event of successful settlement, the PMCU shall submit to the referring judge a mediator's report together with the copies ng compressed agreement. So, bearing example, successful na, nakapag-agree na yung duha party, nasulot na yung duha party. Unin na yung PMCU, isubmit nila yung judge amin final report. Bang unoy naghapin, bang unoy piagsulutan sindua ha PMCU. So, yung PMCU, submit nila ng report nila pagtawag mediator's report together with a copy of the compromise agreement pakain pa judge, pa trial judge. So in trial judge, way pa rin, misang palong niya, the trial judge will evaluate the compromise agreement and either approve or disapprove the same. Approve or disapprove the same. Biya rin. So misang palong niya nasulot na PMCU, yung dua tao. Nasulot na sila. Once yan lang yung pag-agreement, compromise, piagsulutan nila, di iratay maunsin judge pagka pa trial judge di ba after the court mediation unin naman si PMCU para sila mediation report pa judge. So evaluate na to sin judge panglong niya depende ra judge bang approval or di indecision or agreement nila yun. If no settlement was reached, the PMCU shall submit a mediator's report and the referring judge shall determine in the hearing set for such purpose. If settlement is still possible and determined to be so, shall refer to the case to the GOR judge for JDR proceeding. Biya rin ini. So, in situation di bang for example long niya, wayron na solve. Wayron na agreement nagapin. Wayron na agree duwa kuan. Duwa tao yun. So yun ang si PMCU judge, mag-send na rin siya, mag-submit na rin siya mediator's report. Amurot pa rin ito yung nangon niya. Either lang niya on agreement na on or why, nasulot or why in the party. Unin nangon niya, mag-submit na siya mediator's report. So, in judge, yung aton niya pa. Determinon niya pa. Bang kaya pa suluton under JDR. In JDR, Judicial Dispute Resolution. So, in JDR mag-apin lang after sing come. After come. So GDR. Bang kaya pang nasin GDR lang niya. Proceed ka mo lang pa GDR muna before may pa trial. So biyarin lang yun, GDR dispute resolution is conducted. GDR judge was undergo skill-based training. GDR was authorized to conduct the GDR proceeding. GDR proceeding shall be terminated when non-extendable period of 15 calendar days from receipt of the day. So biyarin ini. So kung kita pagtakon JDR judge, siya ni magdihil. Dihilo no? Magdihil, pikilan, hadwa tao yaon. Naglulukat bang unin dapat tinangon nila pasupaya masolve yung problema nila. Metin hinang sin DGR judge. Train suway siya. Ilang siya maingat. So yatin pag yung DGR judge on mag serve as mediator. Pero in mediator a court annex mediation, di siya mag-deal advice di NGDR judge yari mag-deal sa advice na mag-deal na siya, magulog na sa pikilan na do naglulukat. May tinanong si DGR judge, iwan si mediator di mag-deal pikilan, mag-mediate lang siya, mag-assist. When DGR judge di sumud na siya para kalasin do tao yun. Yun. So kung bang lang niya in court annex mediation within 30 days lang siya, within 30 days in GDR sway lang niya non-extendable period of 15 calendar days. So ito lang 15 days lang siya sway. 15 days lang siya. The parties and their counsel shall likewise appear on the scheduled date for the GDR and during the proceeding. The GDR judge shall act as mediator and counselor and neutrally valid to actively assist and facilitate negotiation among the parties. So, biyari ni. So, ilongin counsel once in both parties, counsel, attorney, both parties, defendant, and the plaintiff. So, isilalong niya appear on the scheduled date. So, ito, mong lang schedule March 29, March 39, dito na sila. Sila, so, ilong niya, bang nung schedule and biyari-biyari. So, sila present. The judge should act as mediator concern. So ikaw lang yan, neutral evaluator. Bang in judge na GDR judge nung so sila neutral. At ilang yung bukong bias, wayroong piyapanigan. Wayroong piyapanigan party. To actively assist and facilitate negotiation among the parties. So payo smooth ba yung kwan? Smooth in negotiation. Bukon ka sa pa book party, bukod sa pa book party. Neutral lang, neutral. So, bang info settlement is reached by parties along niya. Both parties yun, full settlement. Ano siya full settlement? Example, do ayaw nagkalo. Along niya, bayaran ko na lang yun. Gary. Talks about cars accident. Nagdugtulin do jeep. Doon man, sulot sila karwa. Bayari lang yun. Na-damage ko kayo mo, bayaran mo na-damage ko kako. So yun, full settlement yun. Uninangon nila, draft a compromise agreement. So yung compromise agreement yun, nag-agreean nila. Bayaran ko yung na-damage ko kayo mo, bayaran mo yung na-damage ko kako. So yung agreement nila, ito siya written. Written, sulat, submit pa kayo pa DGR judge. Pa DGR judge. So, DGR judge, DGR judge. Siya na yung mag-asikaso yan. Siya na mag-submit pa trial judge. So, tumtumon din GGR judge, di sila mag-decide in case buon sila, they don't have the right to decide. Only the trial judge. Ano pa? If only partial settlement, for example, partial lang. Partial. Ulong ibayaran ko lang yung na-damage mo kako, bayaran mo na-damage kako, pero on condition. Say for example, kuwan lang yan, na-damage lang. Biyari na lang mo. Inpali mo lang mo na cost mo kako, diyan lang yung manjari. So lang yung trial, so ko lang yung manjail. Kasi lang ko nakarugtol. Although lang yung kabayaran mo nin nawagbag mo kako, pero lang yung pali ilang niya di. So ko lang yung kakason. So partial. So bang approve ng partial na, for example, na damage jeep, ay pagbayad si na damage property or pagbayad si na damage ito. So yun to solved na. Pero in unsolved part lang niya. The part is but the unsettled part of the dispute settlement was stated in the GDR. The judge shall return the case to the judge of property action. Kaya palian to. Amoy ito in unsolved part. Uninin nangon sin GDR. Ikadto na pa i-report niya na pa trial judge supaya inya to amoy ito matrial at ilang yung mga damage to property hindi ma-damage to property di na sa trial so sige pagsulutan na pero in damage to a person na cause mo damage to person amoy wayrong kaya pag-agreean so isa lang ilaway trial ito I hope na gets. So, imposable sanction cases of non-appearance in CAM and GDR. For both CAM and GDR, the parties and their respective counsel shall personally appear before the mediator or GDR judge. Otherwise, sanction may be imposed upon any part who fails to appear before the mediator or the GDR judge. Very yan. Banglong niya, di maka-attend. Inabok din mga party. For example, na book party yun, may defendant, way matin during CAM, way matin during DGR. So, pwede sila kasanksyonan. Pwede at tumasanksyon, pwede sila kasanksyonan. So, uno naman, sanksyon kanila yan. Under the guideline, the trial judge shall impose the following sanction. Dismissal of the case when there is failure of the plaintiff and counsel to appear without cause when so required. Yoblay ko. Wajib kayo mo lang yan. tilong niya. Pakadtuon ko to sin judge. I-oblige ko sin judge. IGDR, for example. Excuse mo na. Oblige ko madto. O matin singkam or GDR. Way roon ko met tulong yung March 29. Katuman ka mo lang niya on CAMTA. Court Mediation, Annex Mediation Process or Judicial Dispute Resolution. Way roon met. Tipon plaintiff. Iwan sing counsel niya. I-attorney niya. Way met to. Way met to. Without, for example, way roon reason ba? Away roon reason. Why sila met to? Why lang, imabsin lang. So, pwede ma-dismiss yung kaso mong beto. Daon sila. Imbes na mag-trial na kuman. Din doon pa court annex mediation yung sin judicial diawag nila sa absent. Pag-absent nila during that procedure. Mandiyan ma-dismiss yung kisa. Uno pa, presentation of plaintiff's evidence and dismissal of defendant's counterclaims when there is a failure of defendant in counsel to appear without valid cause when so required. Yari sa mga defendant. So, when defendant yung counsel niya, winagatin, gato pa rin. Ma-dismissing kaso nila. So, bang lang niya di matin yung plaintiff yung counsel niya, ma-dismissing kaso. Damik yan. Bang in plaintiff, iwan sin counsel niya, di magatin, man daw ay defendant iwan sin counsel na, di sila mag-appear, di sila madto, di sila magatin, mag-absent sila during CAM and GDR na man daw yung plaintiff iwan counsel, pwede sila kakaso. Gets? I mean, the defendant ba ito? Wala mo rin counsel kasi attorney, di rin kakaso. Judicial mediation is an alternative approach to settlement dispute before going to main proceeding court. So, simple lang. Judicial mediation pag yanon. Alternative approach sa dispute. At lang niya, biya sa pantun, amicable settlement. Basi na-discuss ta, first. Adi pa lang niya mag-trial, suluton tanan dyan lang niya, compromise, let us compromise lang. Suluton tanan lang niya, di na mag-trial. Magsulot na dyan lang. Kaya nagpalala lang sin mga kaso yan. Suluton tanan lang niya. Kato na. Suy-suyan tanan dyan biya mga problema. Yun. So that would be all for my report. Okay. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. Class dismiss.